To register an expense, go to the Financial section and click on Accounts Payable. Inside this area, you'll find the green button labeled Add Expense. On the expense entry screen, choose the type as Supplier and select a supplier that is already registered. If the supplier hasn't been registered yet, you can add them directly on the same screen by providing at least the required field, the name. Make sure to properly categorize the supplier. Type the initials to search for categories and select the appropriate option. For example, expenses with third-party services like accountant or consulting. Then click Register. Once that's done, select the newly registered supplier, and the system will automatically fill in the category. Now click Add Item and enter the description and reference to identify the expense. Remember that the Product option is only used for purchases from dental suppliers when you want to update inventory. Enter the amount and select the payment method as PIX. Choose the due date as the 30th. At this point, you have the option to mark it as paid. Now click Register. As you can see, the entry has been added to the accounts payable list. Now, I'll show another example using an employee. When you select the type as employee, the list of registered employees will be displayed. Then, choose the specific employee. In this case, Joseph. In the category field, type the initials to search for a category or a subcategory you've already created for this employee. Enter the reference, click Add Item, and fill in the description and unit cost. If needed, you can add more items. Then, under Payment Method, select PIX again and choose to mark it as Paid for this example. The expense won't appear in the accounts payable list since it has already been marked as paid. In this case, you can adjust the filters to view paid expenses or display all of them at once.